So, last time we talked, car was at the shop. All the rust issues were sorted. That was a lot of money, a lot of time. They spent probably hundreds of hours. It was there for about 5 months. And yeah, so since it's been back, I got subframe out. Subframe's at powder coat. Diff is out. It's right here, all painted black. I just need to get the rear cover water blasted. But yeah, I recorded all that. I don't know if it's gonna make it in this video, but videos really only update you on what the underside looks like. Sorry if there's any wind noise in the background. Germany's having some pretty bad winds right now, but this is the driver's side rear arch. Subframe's completely out right now, but this was all redone. As you can see, this is all primer. They redid, there's a hole right here before. I don't remember what else. This was all gone. I'll reference some pictures in the video. Back here, that was all done. All this looks brand new. Going further underneath, this right here, if you remember in the last video, was the worst. That was all built up. You can see all the seam sealer they used along the edge. So going on the inside now, they actually did quite a lot of work in here because that whole area was gone. And then did all the inside and over there. I'm just redoing the wiring now because obviously over 30 years people fuck with it. Another problem area was this front jacking point.
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rocking. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knocking. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci gang, think I'm Gucci Mane. I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans on. I'm not selfish, I get on and put my mans on. Always greedy since the day I got my first safe. 5'7", but I'm 6'8" when I stand on the money pals. Need a money.
So that's an update on my car. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Next video is probably going to be the subframe overhaul. It's just going to be back in powder coat, put new bushings, new gaskets, new everything going on that. The only thing I might not do right now is the outer suspension bits. Might save that for a later date. Just wanted the subframe was in pretty bad condition. It was all rusted. Bushings are pretty shot. So I got some white line bushings. I'll show you those right now. Bushings going back in. White line, I didn't want solid because it's a street car. No need. Hopefully that's in focus. Just basic bushing. Got some new hardware for the subframe as well. For those of you that don't know, but own an R32 GTR, SR Auto Bodies in the UK supplies these awesome bolt kits. So I got rear lower arms, diff front, diff rear, diff cover plate, rear lower traction arms. Really just a lot of good stuff. They do awesome work. Till next time.